guys, welcome back to my channel Desi Victoria. This is Mansi and I am here with a new video today. This video is all about my skincare routine. I just wanted to share my skincare routine, the day skincare routine and the night skincare routine with you guys. So I am here with this video. Okay, let's start. And before moving on, I just want to request you that during this pandemic, please keep yourself safe, stay home and keep your family safe as well. That's it. And now moving on, I want to start with this video. First thing which I do is cleansing my face or washing my face. I use this cleanser, gentle facial wash by Body Shop. It's vitamin E facial cleanser and it's really mild and it's amazing for all skin types, and it has no harsh chemicals, so every skin type combination, oily, normal, dry, they can go with this face wash. So I am sure you will love it because it's amazing results, and I'm using this for past 3 months now. So I loved it, so I should go with that. Okay, moving on. Second thing, after cleansing my face, I use this toner which is by Milagro. It's a watermelon and green tea face toner, and it's amazing. It smells amazing, like you will fall in love with it after you open it, and it is just so fresh. It is like you will feel your skin so soft. I have never felt my skin like this before. It's amazing. It's so natural. It's so good. I can't just explain in it words, and you can get it easily on Nykaa or on Royalicious on Instagram, and its price is also not that much. I guess it is just rupees 800 or 900, and you get 10% off if you order it, like you are ordering it for the first time. So you should go for it, and trust me, it's amazing. Okay, so toner, I have told you. When I'm not using toner or when I'm not in the mood to use toner, I go for serum, which is also by Body Shop. Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution. It's so amazing. I am using it for past 1 year now, and it's amazing. I had open pores. I have oily skin, so I have open pores, and I had so many like acne or something. It treated it so fast, and it's just amazing. You should go for it. It's worth an investment. Trust me, you will fall in love with it, and shop, you can go for it. It's just amazing. Trust me, you will not regret buying it, and it's so amazing for oily skin type or combination skin type especially, and for dry skin also. It's just amazing. So go for it. When we are going out, we need sunscreen. We should not step out of the house without sunscreen. So the sunscreen which I fell in love with in last summer is this by Milagro. It's amazing. It's a hydrogel sun blocker, and it's by Milagro Beauty, and available on Nykaa now, or otherwise Royalicious or milagro.com, and it is gel based. It like becomes matte after you applying it. Let me show you. It comes in this matte jar, and it's amazing for oily skin. It's gel based, and see, it's so its consistency is so thin, and you will not feel anything like you have not applied anything on your skin. It's moisturizer plus sunscreen, so it's amazing. I don't like sunscreens that much because they are really thick and they become sticky on my skin. You know, oily skin types are like always having oil on their skin, so I don't like sunscreen that much, but I have to apply it, so I apply it. But this sunscreen I felt in love with, and it's amazing. Trust me, I have never fell in love with sunscreens before, and it's just an amazing product, and you will love it, and you will get great deals on milagro.com. You should go for it, and I love its smell. It's so fresh. It has, I think, so many natural ingredients in it. Yeah, and this bottle says hashtag I believe in Milagro. Yes, I believe in Milagro. It's amazing. you should go for it. Okay, so we have done all the basic steps and now we need a moisturizer. It is a must for our skin, and you can buy any moisturizer according to your skin type. Mine is oily, so I go for gel based moisturizers. So I am using this by Body Shop Vitamin C. It's so good. I mean, you will feel like you're having a glow, sudden glow in your skin. It's so good. You will feel amazing results in just a month. Trust me, it's worth an investment. I don't buy that much skincare products, but when I buy, I try. If I feel good, I just love them. This is my second bottle and my third is on the way. I have ordered it and I am using this bottle, like this jar, from past 1 year. Yeah, 11 months to 1 year, and it goes a long way, so you will not regret buying it. Again, it's little much costly, so you can go for other products as well. So I'm not going to say that buy this one only, but if you have a oily skin or you have that much budget, you can surely go for this product. It's amazing. Plus it says that it's glow boosting moisturizer for dull, tired and grumpy skin. I had that grumpy skin, and after like 6 months I've really felt a difference in my skin. If possible, I would share my before and after pictures, like before 6 months and after 6 months. And okay, so at night after removing my makeup, we have to go for CTM. Don't leave your skin, don't go to bed without CTM. It's not a single day that I go to bed without having CTM on my face. CTM means first is cleansing. So again, this by Body Shop, it's amazing. So I am not going to change my cleanser, I think, for like months now if I don't get a substitute of this. This is amazing. But if you want like a dupe of this, you can go for Cetaphil as well. It's gentle and it's amazing, so it's your choice. Okay, after cleanser, I use this serum by Derma company. It's a retinol serum, retinoid, and it has vitamin B3 and zinc in it. It's for acne marks. I have little much acne marks on my skin, so I use this serum every night before I go to bed. But only a thing for this serum is that you can't use vitamin C moisturizer or anything regarding vitamin C with this serum. So if you have used this serum, use your vitamin C moisturizer after like half an hour or 15 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, if you don't use vitamin C, you are good to go with this. It's amazing. It has retinol in it, and I saw results in like 10 or 15 days. Amazing result. It gave me amazing skin, and your skin feels so smooth in the morning, like amazing glow. Trust me. Best thing, if you want to get rid of your acne marks, you should go for this serum. That's all. I don't want to force this on you. It's your choice. It's completely your choice. Okay, after this I apply this toner again by Milagro. So after 10 minutes after that serum, I applied this, and the last step is moisturizer. So I use this moisturizer. It's a gel hydrant by Clinique. It's a gel based moisturizer. It's an amazing moisturizer, and this is like my 4th tube. I love this moisturizer. It's so lightweight, it's so amazing. It doesn't feel you have applied like anything on your skin. Its consistency is amazing, and I am loving this. Okay, sometimes when I am not using that moisturizer at night, so I use this by I use the sleeping mask by Laneige. It's a Korean brand and it's a water sleeping mask, and I use this twice a week. It's amazing. It's you have a special something on your face and you're going to get an amazing glow in the morning. It's gel based, it's not that heavy, and you will feel a very like you have water on your face. So it's so fresh, its fragrance is so fresh, amazing. So you can go and buy this on Nykaa. I will link it below and you can go for it. That's all. That's my skincare routine, and trust me, these products I am using are amazing. I am using this for a long time, so I trust these products. So I know that what I am telling you, so you can trust me with this. Sure.